Great, going to the grocery store, my favorite thing. I know people are like, Disneyland's the happiest place on earth. I'm like, the grocery store, that's my happiest place on earth. It's true, it really is. So let's talk a little bit about the grocery store, because I'm gonna actually have you moving around the grocery store so that you can, and exploring some areas that you may have never done. So one of those areas is the bulk bins, and you'll see them and you've probably passed it a million times and been like, what's down that aisle? I don't know what all that stuff is. Well, that's a great opportunity for not only to try different things and different ingredients, but it's also such a cost saving and a space saving thing to utilize in your kitchen. So it's cost saving because when you can just buy a handful of something, or a half cup or a cup, which we'll get into with our first couple of recipes, you'll see instead of having to buy a big bag of brown rice that maybe you will or won't eat, I don't know, you can just save money right there, and you can save a little packaging. You can also save some space in your cupboards, because let's face it, they're not really designed necessarily to store a lot of stuff. So at the bulk bin, they always have like little twisty ties so that you can write down your code for the actual item that you chose. So there's just a couple of things, but it's a lot of fun, and I hope you're going to be introduced to some really great things. I want you to definitely talk to the guys and the ladies at the meat department and at the fish counter. They always have such great tips. First of all, they're wonderful people, okay? And since we're all on our phones so often now, it's really nice to have that human touch, of just somebody that you're like, hey, I know you. Somebody, a friendly face, and it's really nice, and I hope you'll be that friendly face to them too, because they take a lot of pride in their work, and they actually are a great resource, and they're always really good about letting you know, hey, that something's going to be on sale, so you can swing back around, especially if you really like something, or if you just want to special order something. Hint, hint. All right, so the bulk bin, we're gonna do it, and don't be intimidated by it. It's okay. I'm Marcia Whitfield, Healthy Chef, and this is Everything Dash Diet. Bye for now.